How states are handling the legalization of marijuana. 1. Regulatory frameworks. States that have legalized marijuana are developing comprehensive regulatory frameworks to manage its production, distribution, and sale. These frameworks typically cover licensing requirements for growers, processors, and retailers, as well as standards for product safety, labeling, and advertising. States like Colorado and California have established detailed regulations to ensure a well-regulated market. 2. Taxation and revenue generation. Legalizing marijuana creates new revenue streams through taxation. States impose taxes on marijuana sales, which can include excise taxes, sales taxes, and additional local taxes. The revenue generated from these taxes is often allocated to public health programs, education, and infrastructure projects. For example, Colorado has used marijuana tax revenue to fund school construction and substance abuse programs. 3. Public health and safety. States are addressing public health and safety concerns related to marijuana legalization by implementing measures to prevent impaired driving, ensure product safety, and address potential health impacts. Many states have established DUI testing protocols and public education campaigns to mitigate risks associated with marijuana use. 4. Social equity and expungement. Legalization efforts often include provisions for social equity and criminal justice reform. States are implementing programs to expunge the records of individuals with prior marijuana-related offenses and create opportunities for communities disproportionately affected by drug laws. These efforts aim to address historical injustices and promote economic opportunities in affected communities. 5. Economic impact. The legalization of marijuana has significant economic implications, including job creation and business development. States are witnessing growth in marijuana-related businesses, from cultivation and processing to retail and ancillary services. This industry growth contributes to local economies and provides new employment opportunities. 6. Local control and variation. States that have legalized marijuana often allow local governments to set their own policies regarding marijuana sales and usage. This results in variations in marijuana regulations and availability across different cities and counties. Some localities may choose to ban marijuana businesses or impose stricter regulations, reflecting differing community attitudes and priorities. 7. Legal and regulatory challenges. States face ongoing legal and regulatory challenges as they implement marijuana legalization. Issues such as interstate commerce, banking restrictions, and conflicts with federal laws require careful navigation. States are working to address these challenges through legal reforms and collaboration with federal agencies. 8. Impact on law enforcement. Marijuana legalization impacts law enforcement practices and priorities. States are adjusting their approach to drug-related offenses, focusing on issues such as impaired driving and illegal marijuana trafficking. The shift in law enforcement priorities is accompanied by efforts to educate officers and update training programs. 9. Consumer access and education. Legalization affects consumer access to marijuana products. States are establishing guidelines for dispensaries and ensuring that consumers have access to accurate information about product safety and usage. Public education campaigns are designed to inform consumers about responsible use and potential health effects. 10. Future considerations. As marijuana legalization continues to evolve, states are considering additional reforms and adjustments. Future considerations may include expanding access to medical marijuana, exploring federal legalization, and addressing emerging issues related to marijuana use and regulation. Conclusion. States handling the legalization of marijuana are developing intricate regulatory frameworks, generating revenue, and addressing public health, safety, and social equity concerns. Economic impacts, local variations, and ongoing legal challenges shape the landscape of marijuana legalization. As states adapt to these changes, they continue to evaluate and refine their approaches to ensure effective and responsible management of the marijuana industry.